Hi everyone, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. I'm here on Tuesday. I am a little bit late. I have been in a meeting since 8:30 this morning and I'm home and I want to share with you my team swaps for October. Hey Kathy, so that's what I didn't have time for a card making video today. Hey Donna. Hey Anne and Linda. Who are the two other people? Oh, hello Myrtle and hello Susan. Sorry, there were other people as well. But Facebook wasn't telling me who was here. Very rude. So welcome. If you're watching No Card Making, just sharing the swaps of my team today because I have to go pick up my boys in about half an hour. So you've got me for a little bit of time. If you are watching this video over on YouTube, hello, and thank you for watching the replay, and everyone who's watching the replay here on Facebook, I do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love if you could subscribe or like, so then other people can find me and you don't miss out on any of the card making fun. Hello Paulette and Kay, thank you for joining. If you like any of the products that have been used in the cards I show today, I will tell you what the products are, and I do have a shop link with my hostess code down in the description. So yes, hello Rhonda. Thanks so much for joining everyone. So I will get into it. I know it is very late for some of you joining me from across the globe. Hello Lisa. And I missed someone. Hello Marla. Oh, Christine, everyone's popping in. This is lovely. I'm so glad. So October, for my team swap, the theme was birthday. So everyone has made birthday products. I think we have one product out of everyone. Hello, Miss Shana. We have one product that overlaps. That is it. Out of, I think there are 9 or 10 swaps, one. So I think that is pretty cool. So I'm just going to start at the start. Some of them I need to take out of bags. Some of them will stay in the bags because people have written their recipes on the back. Did I? Yes, you can see that probably. Hey Barbara, thanks for joining. So this is one of my downline, obviously Lorraine Morgan. She is not on social media, but I will share. Hello, Mr. Bobby. I will share her cards because they are so beautiful. She has used the Forever Fern stamp set and she's used the matching Forever Flourishing and the poinsettia dies. So she's just put that little flower under the foliage bouquet. And I love the way she has added texture to the bottom of the card. So beautiful card, and the colors she's used are Rococo Rose and Basic Grey. So I love how elegant this card is. The next card is from the lovely Renee Mengel, and she has used the Timeless Tulips stamp set. So kept it very simple, but we've got some dimension here by popping them up, and we've got the lovely touch of texture with the satin gold ribbon and with some rhinestones as well. I love this, and I like the blue and the red. So I'm assuming this is, I want to say Balmy Blue and Cherry Cobbler. I really like them together. Okay, next I have Tracy Buyers, and she has used the Game On stamp set. Now this isn't actually, I only own this one, so I love doing swaps with my team because I get samples of sets I don't own because I can't own everything. I'm not a millionaire. Well, it's not $1 million, but I'd say it's over $10,000 Australian to buy the whole catalogue, and I don't have the space. But anyway, so this is Game On, and she has used the current in colours, which are the 2020 to 2022 in colours, and she's used a tiny strip of that 6x6 designer series paper with the Tasteful Touches die, and I'll show you here. You can see that die has embossing on it, so it adds that touch of texture to a very papery card. I love that you can add texture without adding a different texture like ribbon or an embellishment, just by using embossing, and it adds that extra interest. Next we have Miss Helen Beatty, and she has used the Gorgeous Posies stamp set. Hello Miss Ali, thank you for joining. Gorgeous Posies, and she has used, there we go, she has used the script embossing folder and some gorgeous pearls and some seam binding ribbon. Love this card. I've got a set of cards that I'm using these flowers on. Okay, I'm going to show you a card I have to open. So this is a very underscript square card from Jill Fitzgerald, and I have been told I need to open it. Hey Inga, hey Patty. So we need to open it. I will open this ribbon. Hello Miss Tammy, and she has done a really fun diagonal split. Oops. Other way. So a really nice, fun opening card. It's still going to stand up nicely to display it, and then you just close the ribbon to and tie it to reopen. Hey Vicky. And she has used, and I shall go back through, she has used Peaceful Moments, Prize Peony, and Peony Garden paper. So this is all in Blushing Bride. I love the monochromatic. I like it when you get to watch me too. Hello Miss Margine. It's just, I was in a meeting all day, so I left home, I don't know, 8:15, and I got home at 1:30. Well, quarter to I don't know. Yes, I got home at 1:30. It's been a day, but it's been a good day, just in a meeting all day. So yeah. Okay, sorry, I just want to put this information back in. Next we have the beautiful Kelly Burgess, who is quite often here on my lives. She has used, what's the stamp set? I need to keep on looking at which stamp set. The stamp set is Band Together. Hey Laurie, she's used the Band Together stamp set on a belly band, because this is actually a belly band, and she has used the Ornate Garden paper. So just give me a second here to open this up and I will show you. So that's the Ornate Garden paper, the Band Together, and we do have some stamping on the inside. So this belly band just slides off, and then I'm looking at it back to front. And then we have our beautiful flower on the inside, and you can just write straight over it in black or blue, and it's perfect. And then the belly band just goes back on. Please excuse David being loud, pulling out a chair at the dining room table. Hello Eunice, thanks for joining. Sorry, if I don't put these back in, I'll forget who made what. So that's back in its little baggie. And this is from Trina Naylor. She has made, and it does say here, inspired by Sally Stampers, a YouTube of a jumbo tea light for a friend. So it's a tea light box with happy birthday. Hello Miss Susan. And using the Flowers for Every Season paper. Hello Mrs. Mitchum. thanks for joining. So that's using, once again, all the current in colours, the 2020 to 2022 in colours. And lastly is my card, and I have used the stamp set I have used is Butterfly Wishes. I want to say that's right. And now I can't find, yes, Butterfly Wishes. I've used the Peony Garden paper, the Organdy Petal Pink striped ribbon, and you can see there I have used one of our square vellum doilies, and the dies are from the Stitched So Sweetly. So now I have some great birthday inspiration. Hopefully I have inspired you as well to use something that you have seen here, or use up your stash in a way to do them. Thank you, Laurie. I'm very happy with the swaps as well. I will hopefully be sharing this baby tonight. I just literally need to get to making it. I need to get writing it. I've done part of my blog post, but not the other. So hope that's this afternoon's job if I get a chance. And I had a gem that fell off my card. I'm going to try and pop it back on. That's what glue dots are for, hey. So if you want any of the products, hello Miss Linda, if you want any of the products that are used to make these cards, please check the description, link to my shop in the description box below. If there's something I haven't mentioned product wise that you would like to know, please contact me and I will be able to tell that, because majority of them have put their recipes on the back. So I will be back on Thursday with the card making video. Thank you for your grace today in letting me just share these swaps with you. We have one more team swap left for the rest of the year, and I will share those in early December with you, because we have a team meeting at the very end of November. So that's our end of year hurrah. Hello Miss Sam. I also do have a class this weekend. We'll be playing with our curvy dies that have been, or our curvy stamp sets and matching dies that have been released this month, as well as some other amazing products. So if you are free on Sunday, please contact me. I don't know what's going on outside, but something just happened. I don't know what David's trying to do. He's trying to distract me. So I do have the event here for my class in the events tab. So yes, thank you all very, very much for joining me. It's lovely to see you, and I will be back on Thursday with a card making video. Thanks guys. Bye.